I introduce them to a bowl of dry food. They're getting it. They keep walking away and going back. Alright, thank you. And,
goodbye, puppies.
of course, we also like to play with the water and the kibble. Oh.
It smells like frozen dirt. You can't eat it.
Alright, maybe I'll try and get some more of this later. They kind of... Oh, well. They walk away and go back. Oh, we got one chewing over here.